Welcome to today. In this video, we'll dive into the world of automatic spelling checks. Learn how to enhance your writing experience by allowing your software to catch those pesky spelling errors on the fly. Let's get started. When we make mistakes during the input process, they are instantly noticed and highlighted by a red wavy line. This line indicates that there is a spelling error in the word, meaning the word itself is written incorrectly. For example, a letter may be missing, or conversely, there may be extra characters, text containing grammatical errors, such as errors in the construction of phrases or sentences, is underlined with the blue wavy line. This also includes punctuation errors, such as a missing comma after a conjunction or before a conjunction. Upon seeing the underlined portion in the text, we can correct our mistakes before someone else notices them. I see that the red line has underlined this word money. Indeed, I missed one letter in here. To correct it, I'll simply add it. Excellent. In addition to showing me where the word is misspelled, the program also suggests ways to correct it. Here, another word is underlined. Right-click on it. As you can see, there are one or several options to change this word. We need the first option, currency. We simply click on it. The word has been successfully changed. Sometimes the program underlines words that are actually spelled correctly. For example, blockchain. This means that such a word is not in the dictionary. Let's see what it suggests we replace it with. Neither of these fits, as the word blockchain is originally spelled correctly. In this case, we can skip the suggestion by clicking ignore all. Then the program will no longer mark this word in the current document. However, if you type it in another document, the word will again be underlined as an error. To prevent this, you can add it to the dictionary. This way, the program will remember the word and will never mark it as an error again. As you can see, this time the word blockchain is not underlined. In other words, according to Word, it is spelled correctly. But let's look at the status bar. Here, we see that the proofing language is English. To change the proofing language, simply click on it. In the pop-up window, choose Necessary Language. Click OK. Excellent. Automatic spell checking during input often distracts. You notice that you've written something incorrectly, go back to correct the mistake, and during that time, you lose your thought about what to write next. To prevent this from happening, you can disable spell checking during input. The necessary settings are located in the File tab. Under Options, choose Proofing. These two options are responsible for automatic checking during input. The first one is for spelling, and the second one is for grammar. To distinguish them, simply uncheck the boxes. Then, click OK. As you can see, all the markings have disappeared. So, by default, Word checks the correctness of spelling during text input. Red wavy lines indicate spelling errors, and blue ones indicate grammatical errors. If you don't want errors to be marked as you type, you can disable automatic checking, allowing you to focus on the content of the text. You can start the spelling check when the text is ready. We'll explain how to do this in the next lesson. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the realm of automatic spelling checks. I hope you found valuable insights to enhance your writing experience. Remember, letting your software catch those spelling errors in real time can significantly improve the quality of your work. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, happy writing, and may your words flow seamlessly.